Hello everyone, welcome to Principles of Operating Systems concept. I am Gomati, working as Associate Professor in Department of Information Technology. In this lecture, I am going to address about process control block in operating system. In this lecture, we are going to see what is process control block, how is it helpful for process execution, and what are the process related informations are maintained to support proper process execution. In this slide, we are going to see the brief overview of process control block. The short form of process control block is PCB. This PCB is one of the data structure that is maintained in our system to know more about process. Each process is having their own PCB to maintain the details. Next, we are going to see what is the use of process control block. While process will be running, it changes its states frequently. Hence, the information related to current process state needs to be saved. So, whenever process needs to resume its execution, the information in PCB can be utilized to load process in main memory. That's why the process related information is saved in process control block. The another name of process control block is task control block. Next, we are going to see the structure of PCB. The PCB contains process state, program counter value, the values of CPU registers, CPU scheduling information, memory management information, accounting details, and IO status information. In the upcoming slides, we are going to see what is the use of each field in PCB. Next, we are going to discuss about different fields that are maintained under PCB. The first field is process state. The PCB of each process maintains the current state of the process. When process is running, it comes across the different states in its life cycle that is to be updated in PCB for further execution. The next field is program counter. The program counter value maintains the address of the next instruction to be executed for the process. The program counter value is incremented automatically after executing the current instruction. This process will be repeated until the program execution is over. The next one is CPU registers. The CPU registers are utilized by process to store the data that is to be generated or utilized by process for its execution. The list of registers that are utilized by process is maintained in PCB. Actually, when data are stored in CPU registers, it takes less time to transfer data for execution. That's why the CPU registers are utilized for process execution. The next field is CPU scheduling information that is used to schedule the process under CPU. This field includes the priority value of the process, pointers to scheduling queue, and other scheduling related parameters. The next one is memory management information that helps to protect process from unwanted access in main memory. This field includes the value of base register that stores the starting address of process. Next one, the value of limit register that maintains the size of the process. Apart from that, this field maintains the starting address of page table or segment table of particular process based on the memory system used by the operating system. The next one is accounting information. This field includes the amount of CPU utilized by process for its execution time period. The next one is time limit. This value is used when the process is scheduled using round robin scheduling algorithm. At last, it has process number. The next field is IO status information that gives the information about the list of devices and files required by process for its execution time. So, totally 7 fields are maintained under PCB for the proper execution of the process. This slide will give an overview of connection between process table and PCB. Each system maintains process table that includes process ID and pointer to PCB for each live process. Whenever process starts its execution, the PCB of that process is loaded in main memory. Hope you all understand about the concept of PCB. Thank you for listening.